In this session, we are going to learn about how we can create the Azure ARM template. So this template we need to actually configure into the catalog so that we will come to know what are the attributes which we will be defining for the catalog. So the option in Azure is to deploy a custom template. So you can reach out to this particular option through the Azure navigation bar. So once you click here, you will have the option of creating the custom template for the Linux, Windows, then web apps, SQL database, and many more options. So here you can also create your own custom template if you are aware about the ARM template in well manner. I'm going to create a Windows virtual machine template here. So you can see we have all these 6 resources, and we have option to edit the template, edit parameters, and also visualize how the component will look like. So it's equivalent to the dependency map which we can see in the service now. We have the option to choose this region, then the resource groups, and the username and password. So these are the basic details which we need to prepare for. So definitely these details can be again asked into the catalog based on the inputs we are asking for the user to input in catalog. And all these inputs, like for example DNS prefix, you can either put some small capital values into it, or you can leave it as is, and this will be input when we are requesting for the virtual machines. We can also have the details about this particular format, which is Azure has defined, and they are expecting that value should be in the same format. This is the public IP configuration of the CI, so it will be named with some specific name like configuration as a configuration item. So we need to give some value for that. And again, we have the IP allocation method. You can keep it dynamic or static as you wish. We have a public IP SKU, so you can define it as a standard or basic. Then we have the operating system. So we have this listed all the operating system which is supported for this particular template, and you can choose out of this. If you have any specific requirement or the custom operating system, you can choose that image as well. This is the VM size. You can see this is the simple VM size which we have chosen for the 2 vCPU and 16 GB of RAM. The location we have kept it undefined so that it will be chosen at the time of when we are creating the virtual machine. We can put some demo virtual machine name here, and once you fill all these details, you can go on the top and click on the edit template. So once you click it here, you can see that there is 2 sections here. One is the parameters which you can see on the left hand side, and the right hand side you can see all the complete template. You can just copy this template and paste it in notepad or some text editor so that you can save it for the future reference. You can also click on the download, which will download the JSON file template.json. So you can also import this file into the as a ARM template while creating the catalog. Now you can see if we click on the review and create, it will validate this particular template. So you will be ensuring that this template will be 100% working for you. So this is an important step. You can just click on review tab, and it will be validated. Now we are good with this.